What is up, YouTube? Oh, another update on the Z here. We are, as you can see, trying to get this guy installed. So, got it all apart. The old one is down on the floor. Had to disconnect that line. Had to take out the bleeder part of it. It's been a experience, to say the least. Got it jacked up, man. Oh, yeah. It's been a time. I just finished using that to clean up the threads on the input shaft. I had to loosen the bell housing bolts from the torque tube and take out a couple to get the old guy out because the the new line, I wasn't able to pull that completely out with the old setup because the hole isn't big enough. There's a keyway right there, but the hole wasn't big enough. So took forever fighting those, getting that loosened up and whatnot to be able to pull the line out to work this out. So yeah, I got it all fished up in there. Got the new line hooked up on this other end where it's supposed to go. So now I'm gonna jump back in here and get to putting all this stuff back together. I don't know how far I'll get. I'll probably try to go ahead and finish it and get it all back how I found it. Because next we will be doing some electrical work, pinning the ECU for the flex fuel. That's supposed to be getting delivered today. There's a GM part number. Let me know if you need it. It's a GM part number. Thanks to my boy Jared with the red turbo C6 that I recorded. He told me about this. But anyways, you can buy a piece of wire that already has the terminal crimped onto it to go into the connector to just click right in. If you've ever done that kind of work, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and just bought that. It was like 20 or 30 bucks, something like that. So that'll be getting delivered today. So I need to start brushing up and figuring out how that install goes and whatnot. So when the time comes, I can go ahead and just do it. I don't think I'm gonna fully wire the car for the flex fuel setup because I haven't fully decided where I'm gonna put it. So more to come on that, more so when the engine is in it, but I'm gonna at least pin the ECU and get that over with and then run some wire from over there over to this area because the sensor will be over here for sure. But yeah, enough talking. Let me get back to work on this thing and then I guess I'll check back in with you guys when I get it all back together. All right, guys, back at it. Whoa, done. Got it all in there and together. Got the bleeder in, line hooked up, new guy ran over there. It's hooked up, clipped on both ends. Threads are cleaned. That's pretty much a wrap. Bell housing bolts are all in and tight. Arms and hands full of fiberglass from the little heat shield. But that'll be pretty much a wrap on that. Next up, we will have the flex fuel sensor hookup like I was telling you. So that'll begin delivered later tonight. So sometime tomorrow, I lied. Nope, we're going racing tomorrow. So we'll see what time I get back from that, if I mess with that or not. Probably gonna go inside and do my research on that now. That's pretty much it with the car for now. I ordered some other small stuff while I was at it. Trying to think. I got some bulbs for it, some matching headlights and fog light bulbs. So I'll be doing those. And then what else? I finally got a battery for it. It's not in it, but I got one. Charged it up. I got me a little charger too. I've been charging the junk one. It's in here. Just cause, I mean, you might as well use it the rest of the way out. Before putting that one in, since we don't have a alternator to keep it charged up, I don't want to keep putting it on this thing, but anyways, that's whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That guy's all good and ready to go. Showed y'all those already. I need to inspect these motor mounts. Make sure these things are not junk, cause that would suck. Hello, we'll try riding on them. Nothing crazy though. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. God, dude, I'm so tired of spending money on this car. Put that a little bit. Pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't know about that. We might change them. Whack! I'm going inside. That just annoyed me. I still need tires for this thing. I bought the lenses that I was telling you guys about a long time ago for the headlights. I'm not gonna put them on though, because I don't want them to get messed up. So it's probably gonna wait until I pull the bumper off to get it fixed up, painted up, whatever. So all of that will be a nice facelift. Will be the lenses, and then I'll finally go ahead and do the bulbs, and then the front bumper will be all pretty. So that'll be cool. But yeah, we ain't worried about that right now. Running and driving, that's our main focus. That was a nice step closer. I need to get some fluid, so get us some of that, and then bleed it, all that good stuff. Once an engine is in there, clutch and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the old junk that came out. And the green only looks as good as it does because I pressure washed it. That's why it's kind of spotty with the dirt. This thing was pretty nasty the first time I saw it. So, yeah. Went ahead and changed it because why not? I have access to it, I might as well. And this line looks like crap, so I wasn't trying to rock with it like that. So, here goes a new. Looks good. Looks good. Hopefully it performs good. All right, I'm out of here. Catch y'all later. On the next one. Hopefully I'll have some good news to go with it.